The parallel park a Ford F-150 right here. All right, I have the rear view camera on really quick, and I'm just gonna keep on looking the back, try to get this in there evenly. I don't know if I can make it into that parking space, but I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna keep on looking down, making sure I have clearance. All right, let's see if I can get this in here. I don't know, this is a big vehicle. Let's see. Oh, maybe I can, maybe I can't. We'll see. To be determined. It's kind of hard to sell out the side view mirror, so I'm just going to use the camera and trust the camera with what I have going on right here. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to make it. Looks like the space is a little bit too tight. So that's the thing, when you're in Chicago, it's kind of hard to park a big vehicle like this. So I'm just going to park right here, throw my hazards. I tried. I'll try again with a larger parking space. Shoot.